It's unboxing. This is so big, so heavy. It's Kirk Hammett's book, Too Much Horror Business. Oh shit, thank you, River. Let's get a look inside the book. Ooh, scary Kirk Hammett. Look at some of his collection, movies and all. Let's get to some real scary monster shit. Oh yeah. Cool stuff. Ooh. Oh shit. Let's get towards the end. Oh shit, man. Yeah. Getting scarier. Look at all this stuff. Great collection. Amazing. Oh, the Misfits. Oh shit. He named the book after it. They had horror business. He had too much horror business. There is a leather jacket, all that. Yeah.